Alright, I had another project scheduled for today where I need to turn off the water, and I'm out here. This is my main water supply. Right there's the city, and then there's me. And as you can see, wonder why my water bill's so high. I got an issue. So I'm going to see if I can get it fixed, but whatever it is, I'm here for the duration now. So let's see what happens. Well, good news on this one. Other than the mess I got to clean up, I was able to get in here with these and tighten the packing nut right underneath that, and it looks like it has taken care of the issue. So just letting that water go back down a little bit, and we'll see. But other than cleaning it up, looks like one crisis averted. Just for FYI, that nut right there is a packing nut. This is a different kind of valve, but sometimes you can get away with just snugging these back down a little bit, which happened in this case, and seems to have stopped my leak. Alright, looks like the leak has stopped. I'm going to have a little water down in there yet, but no fresh water coming into it. So I'm going to go ahead and start putting this hole back together, getting everything situated, and that should be it. But it's been about an hour and a half since I finished that, and I'm expecting to see all the water gone, so I can't resist. I gotta have a look. And looky there, it's looking good. Finally brought a light out here. So it looks like we might have done something. You can't see where I tightened that packing nut. Anyway, the hole's all fixed up. Looks like it's drying out nicely. So anyway, this will now end this video. Thanks for watching.